Stop. Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that.
Okay.
Listen.
No, you're not.
I'm 7 months pregnant.
Okay. Well, you need to start listening then.
Okay. I'm just pregnant and scared. I'm sorry. 7 months. Or 6 months, sorry.
6 months pregnant.
On August 18th, 2025, deputies confronted a theft suspect outside a local smoke shop. Seconds later, she fled in her car, turning a simple stop into a full pursuit.
Hey, out of the car. Out of the car.
Wait, I'm coming.
Put it in park.
I am. I'm coming.
Put it in park. Step out.
I will. Just a second, please.
Stop reaching.
I'm not.
Stop
doing anything.
reaching. Get out of the
Please stop
car.
grabbing me. I'm scared.
Okay, get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Put your hands.
I need
Stop.
to tell my
Stop.
partner.
Stop. No, put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that. I'll
Okay.
listen.
No, you're not listening. Put your hands behind your back and keep them there.
I will listen. Please don't put cuffs on me. Please don't put cuffs
Stop.
on me. Sir, please.
Stop.
The car's on and
I know it is. Julia 30 flagger, female detained.
I'm 7 months pregnant.
Okay. Well, you need to start listening then.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you please just uncuff me?
No.
I promise I'll listen.
No, you're not getting cuffed right now. And as soon as I get another deputy here, we'll work on that, okay? But right now, you're going to stay in handcuffs. Okay? You tried to back up on me when I told you to stop.
I know, I'm sorry.
Okay, and you didn't get out of the car when I asked
I know,
you to.
I was scared.
Okay, no, listen.
I was
Okay?
scared. I'm
You need to
sorry.
start listening, and then things will go different. You were reaching on the side of the car. What
this
are
is
you?
my phone.
Okay,
You can look.
okay, you don't reach when the cops are here.
I'm sorry. I didn't
Okay,
know
this
that.
isn't your first time dealing with the police.
What do you mean?
What do I mean, Taylor?
I haven't dealt with the police.
Taylor. Really?
I just got to Vermont. I don't know anything.
You just got to Vermont. You're in Florida.
I know. I mean, I'm from Vermont.
Yeah. You haven't dealt with the police in Vermont?
Not in years. Not since I was a kid.
Not in years since you were a kid?
Yeah, since I was like 19.
Okay. Here, I'll loosen this cuff. Hold on. Just read.
If you see my hand, it's really messed up.
Well, I understand that, but looks like that's not from me though.
No, it gets really tight at first.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Well, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do.
I wasn't meaning not to listen. I
Okay,
got
Taylor.
scared.
Taylor. Okay.
I just got scared. I'm sorry.
Okay, Taylor. I'll put another set of handcuffs on you.
What?
I'll put 2 sets of handcuffs on you. Okay.
Do you have to have them? I promise
Yeah.
I'll
No.
listen.
No. That's not the way this works. Okay. But I'll put another set on to give you a little bit more room. Okay.
Are you gonna take me somewhere?
Taylor, you have a warrant for your arrest.
What do you mean?
You have a warrant for your arrest out of Vermont.
So you have to take me somewhere?
Yeah. As soon as they confirm the warrant, you're going to be taken somewhere. Yeah, you got to go to jail.
Why?
Why? Because you got a warrant out of Vermont.
I'm starting a new job tomorrow. My baby's coming.
Okay. Hold on. Just undo your hands. Okay, I'm going to undo this cuff. Just keep your hands where they're at, okay?
Can I take my meds first?
No, we'll take them with us. I can't give you meds right now. Okay? Alright, do me a favor. Just lean against the car for me.
What?
Your butt against the car.
My
Your
butt?
butt, yeah. Julia 30 flagler, seats prop tag. It's Florida, Bravo Hotel 46, Bravo Charlie, BH 46 BC.
I'm gonna gonna be sick? I don't understand.
Why are you gonna be sick?
Because I need to take my meds.
Okay, what's your meds for?
I'm addicted to something. They're in the car.
Okay,
I just don't want to be sick. I have
Okay,
water.
are
Can
they-
I please just take them?
What? Calm down, first of all, okay? Okay, if you're gonna be sick, I can call paramedics here, okay? But this is what is your meds?
It's those,
Are they in your name? Are they in a prescription bottle?
neither. They're just from the store. Please.
Okay, I can't give it to you right now. I'm gonna turn off the car. Stay there, okay? Whose car is this? Who lives
Can
here?
I wake my boyfriend
No,
up?
not right now. Who lives here?
Like, who's the owner's name?
Yeah, I mean, who you live with?
I live with my boyfriend, like 7 other people.
Okay. Do you know who owns the house?
Mark,
How do you know Mark?
he's our friend.
Okay. From Vermont?
I think he's from Vermont originally.
Oh, okay. Who's friends with him?
What do you mean?
But I mean, how do you know him? Like you said,
My
he's a friend.
boyfriend. My boyfriend was his friend first.
Okay.
Please don't take me. Can't you
Well-
just cite me?
No, if you have a warrant from Vermont, you have to go to jail. Julia, 35.
I'm having a baby though.
Taylor, spell your last name for me.
CROWNINGSHIELD.
Just say it for me.
Crowning Shield.
Crowning. So spell it again.
CROW.
CROW.
You have the rest right.
CROW.
NINGSHIELD.
Alright. Taylor, what's your middle name?
Lynn.
LYNN.
Yeah.
Your date of birth.
1898. I don't want to lose my baby.
You're not gonna lose your baby.
I am if they're gonna take me to jail.
I mean, what? You violated probation of something?
2 years ago.
Okay, well then why didn't you just take care of it?
Because I was scared, and then I was in the hospital for almost 3 months. And when I got out, I was living in some place really far away. I couldn't get there, so I figured time kept going by, and I never reached back out.
I mean, this is what happens when you let things just fester.
Can't you just cite me for what I did wrong?
Not if you have a warrant. The warrant is from Vermont saying that that you did something that you needed to go back to Vermont for.
How long does that take?
I don't know.
I need to tell my boyfriend I'm leaving, that I'm getting taken.
We'll take care of that. Show you 35. So I have a unit close by that could be 1051. Simple. Now you're going for escape.
Oh, please. I'm just scared. Ow, my wrist, my wrist.
Okay, then you shouldn't have ran.
I'm sorry, I'm scared. Ow, ow, ow.
She just took off on me.
I'm sorry, I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
Give you another charge?
Yep.
I'm pregnant. I'm scared.
Okay, well now you just got more charges. All your warrants.
I'm just pregnant and
How further
scared.
are
I'm
you?
sorry. 7 months. Or 6 months, sorry.
6 months pregnant? Did she fall or anything?
Huh?
Did she fall or anything like that?
No.
I'm sorry. I'm just scared.
Why'd you run? You're 7 months pregnant and
I
you're
know,
running from the police?
I'm just so scared. I'm sorry.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, I don't have any pockets.
Female's calling around again.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just
You
scared.
messed up.
I'm
Big
sorry.
time.
I'm scared.
Big time. All right.
I'm just scared. I'm sorry. I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
well-
not a bad person.
Well, you got charges out of here. You got charges out of Vermont. You did not make your situation any better at all.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't really care that you're sorry, to be honest with you. Okay, you put a lot of people in danger with your reckless driving, and then you were obviously looked like you were stealing from the smoke shop over there as well. That's why the owner was chasing after you. So,
My friend gave me these things one time, and I got addicted to them now. And I've been trying to taper down off them. I'm sorry. Yes.
Police searched the vehicle and found strange packages.
it's empty.
Where's your cell phone?
Yeah, it's some chewable thing.
She probably wants these.
Yeah.
We taking that as evidence?
Yeah, we'll take that as that. I mean, I don't even know if they want to. We don't even know if they want to pursue, if they're looking to trespass or. She wants her cell. This is your cell phone, right?
Yeah.
You want your purse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Her boyfriend and 8 other people inside the house just in there.
Yeah. I don't know. It's one of the reasons I was asking for it. Oh, you wanna? Well, I mean, we can take her. I mean, we already got. I mean, she already got all the charges. She's already got all the criminal charges that she has to worry about. So we only need to sit here. We'll make this disposition with the car. Submit that, and I mean, we'll see if they. Whose car is it?
Mark.
That's Mark's car.
Yeah.
Okay. Mark have a last name?
Napolitano. I don't
Okay.
know how to spell it.
All right.
They have
Alright.
a female coming?
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I think so. You have you want this?
You can just set it down.
She then said she was 7 months pregnant and wanted the handcuffs loosened.
Please don't. My wrist is so messed up.
This needs to be tightened a little bit more.
It's because my arm is fucked up.
I see that, but it has to be tightened just a little bit more.
How big do you need?
Just don't do anything silly, Taylor. I mean, I don't want to add any more charges to you. You already got enough, you know? It's still loose. It's not tight at all. Alright. So it doesn't lock up anymore on you. Alright, you're good. You can take a seat. You good with it? Alright. Alright.
Taylor Crowningshield was taken into custody and now faces charges for fleeing and attempting to elude law enforcement, resisting arrest without violence, and attempted escape, along with Vermont warrants for robbery, assault, and probation violation. For more real body cam breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe.